Hey folks, poor guy outdoor cooking. How are you today? Hey, I got some bacon cooking over on the Blackstone. So you can probably see by the thumbnail. Bacon pancakes, bacon infused pancakes. It sounds like a winner. I mean, bacon and pancakes, put some butter on it and some maple syrup. Uh, yeah, so we're going to cook up this bacon. And I don't know, we might make it crispy. And we're going to cut it pretty small. And then Dawn's going to make up some pancake batter, and we're going to throw them on the Blackstone. We're going to use these kind of mini pancake things for today. Got four of those, and we're going to crumble up that bacon and put it in the pancake, flip it over, butter, maple syrup, and I think it sounds really tasty. And my family does too. So that's what we're going to do. Poor guy outdoor cooking on the Blackstone today. All right, we're going to get this bacon cooked up, cut up, and when we come back, we'll have the pancake batter made up, and we'll put it all together and see how it tastes. Right on. Peace. There's Uppy Dog right there. Yeah, he said hello. All right, let's start this up. I got the pancake batter. I got the bacon. I got this sucker on low. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and use these. We're going to make some mini pancakes just because I don't really have this leveled here right now. So that's why we're going to go with that. Let me just spray a little bit around the edges. There we go. I'm going to turn this down low, low, low. See how hot it is. Okay, that's not too bad. And here's the pancake batter that Don made. I am not a pancake expert at all. You think that looks good? Okay. Dawn's going to help me through this part. If you don't know us, Dawn is my lovely wife and she is recording. It's a team effort here at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. So far, so good. And then I'll show you the bacon that we painstakingly cooked and chopped up into small, crispy little bits. We got all the dogs out here with us today, and the neighbor's dogs. Oops, oh, bacon. That's all we did. Some is crispy, some is not. Not too worried about it. Not at all. Well, I've gotten myself into a little bit of a jam. I didn't bring anything to put the bacon on, so it's going to be the good old fingers. And I want these, I want these pancakes to taste like bacon. So I'm putting a good amount of bacon in these. Will I have enough for all of them? I don't even know. I'm not even sure how many we're going to make. Think that's too much bacon?
Is there such a thing?
Is there such a thing? Right. That's what we're doing. No, I will not make you watch all of my pancake making. Bacon. Bacon outdoors. Man, I tell you. I do have a spatula. Big boy. Right behind you is Aiden. He's watching with a really snarly look on his face. Aiden, step aside for a second. I want to show you folks what I'm doing over here too. Got the Z grills out. I was watching Scotty at Mile High Guy Barbecue, and he did some ribs last week on his Oklahoma Joe's. I'm taking the easy way out, doing 3, 2, 1 on some baby backs. I'm not afraid. Okay, honey, what do you think? When do I flip them? Oh, there's a hair. Hmm. We don't need that cat hair or dog hair, whatever it is. Are they bubbling around the edges yet?
No, no.
Nah, not yet. Okay. Well, you're gonna have to hang around here for a little bit. It seems like a breakfast kind of Sunday here in Oklahoma. It's not real hot out. It's actually quite comfortable. The sun's coming over now, and I'll be working on some kind of outdoor routine here, little setup. It's going to take a little while, but we've got a nice big backyard and lots of privacy, so we can go ahead and set up anywhere. We got trees and shade and all sorts of great things. Oh, look at Uppy's over there. Look at Uppy's. He's like, I'm gonna get some rays, man. I'm awfully white. I need a suntan.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
You had to fix that.
Yeah. Hopefully I can.
He is so Did
What
it
do you think? Can
overwhelm
I
me?
turn them yet?
Mm, I don't know. Kind of like go underneath and see what it looks
Let's
like.
see what it looks like. Like I said, I'm not a pancake expert.
I
Well, they
would
don't.
wait.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to wait just a little bit. No, I didn't. I got rid of a little bit of the bacon fat, but I kept it on here because I want these to taste like bacon. And then with the maple syrup and butter, I'm telling you, this is gonna be a winner. I hope. We got any flies over here? Nothing's going on. This is nice too. Well, there's a fly. Spoke too soon. All right. So how's everyone doing? Did you miss us? Probably not. Uh, yeah. So breakfast, right? It's good and everything. Okay. I'm gonna flip them because I'm impatient. What do you think? Okay, she said okay. Okay, let's move that over there. It's the moment of truth, everybody.
Moment of truth.
Oh, okay.
Oh, perfect. Good thing I told you to flip them.
I know. Good thing. So we're gonna start with these four. I'm not exactly sure how many I'm gonna make. It depends on how much batter we have. Looks like we got enough for maybe, I don't know, 12, 16 of these little guys. Uh, yeah, so like I said, we're going to cook the rest of these up off camera and we'll plate them up, get a thumbnail, and just for the video, I'm going to try it, I guess, to make things easier, and then the whole family's going to eat these for Sunday morning breakfast here. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Peace. Okay, here they are. You saw the thumbnail. I just did a thumbnail for it. And we got these upside down so you can see the bacon. Again, we ended up with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these. Nice and thick, small, fluffy bacon pancakes. Just got some butter on there and some local to Oklahoma Griffin's maple flavored syrup. And without further ado, let's give this bugger a try. Cheers. Mighty, mighty, mighty.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's that whole sweet and savory kind of deal, right? But the butter might be a little bit too much butter, but I'm not afraid of butter. The bacon gives it texture, the sweet and salty. Mm, I love it. I know these guys are gonna love it too. We're gonna do this again. All right, we're gonna eat. So appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you feel necessary. And again, if you're new, don't be afraid to subscribe. I got lots of good stuff, man. All right, poor guy out there cooking. It's good to see you again. Peace.